Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful meatballs without egg. So here is my minced beef. Normally I use 5% fat, but the 15 was on sale, so you know how that goes. So here are my ingredients that I will be using. And let's jump right into seasoning this thing. So here I have 1 tablespoon of garlic granule, half tablespoon jerk seasoning, that's optional, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons thyme that has been finely chopped. You can use dry thyme as well. Onion finely chopped. I'm using purple one. Scallion, you can use white onion, by the way. Scallion finely chopped, and 1 tablespoon onion granules. So go ahead and massage those nice fresh ingredients all up into this mince beef. Oh my goodness, yes, go ahead and just massage it. You want to massage it in and make sure that everything is nicely combined, and then bam, we are gonna be done done, and then we are gonna jump into grabbing, rolling and rolling. So let's make some meatball. So you want to grab up the desired size, the amount of minced beef to get the desired size that you want for your meatballs. And the first one is the original one, right? As in, that's the size that we are working off. So if you want them small, then you know you need to make the first one small, because that's the one that we're going to be looking at. So yeah, go ahead and grab up some, roll. And if it's too much, you can feel when you squeeze it, you can feel if it's too big, right? Based on you making the first one. And then you would take out some of the beef, and then you go ahead and press it back, and then roll, and bam, right? Now we are not looking for perfection. You just need some kind of uniformity, right? You need them to kind of just look alike. Yeah, like you can tell that they are brothers and sisters. We don't really want cousins, we want brothers and sisters, right? They should look as close as possible to each other as possible. So yeah, go ahead and just try to make them, yeah, good, a nice little size. So go ahead and roll, and that is us. Bam, just so good. So yeah, Vibes, some look at that looks so nice and round. I just love it. So normally the egg is used as the binding agent, like you use it to keep everything together, but you can definitely do it without the egg. Look at that, looks so nice and round and good. I just love it. So yeah, Vibes Sam, that is us. They are looking so good. You see, they look like brothers and sisters, right? So not necessarily perfection, but they are close to looking like each other. You can tell it's a family, yeah? But Vibes Sam, let me know if you've ever made these without the egg, and just say hi in the comments. Go ahead also and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.